Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hartravel.com, your American cruise line experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful brand new American Symphony. This world-class river ship is a true all-American experience. The ship is US flagged, US built, and US crewed, which makes it truly exceptional as you tour the beautiful spots in our country by river. Now I'm going to tour the space here in just a minute. This is a Veranda Suite with private balcony here on board, and I'm going to explain all the amenities. But before we get started, make sure when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any room or suite with American Cruise Lines, you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, American Cruise Lines is all about a very comfortable, highly inclusive destination immersion experience. Whether you're sailing on the Mississippi, as we are right now here in New Orleans, you head north all the way up to Minnesota, the other rivers that they visit, the Ohio, you're gonna love your time here with American Cruise Lines because it's all about where you're going. All the cuisine is regional. In fact, they restock often. You'll see the chefs getting off, heading into town to the different farmers markets to produce some incredible complimentary cuisine. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner can be a plated affair. You also can head up and have a buffet style option for breakfast and lunch, or you can have room service right here in your suite. Now you're also going to find that you have open bar, complimentary excursions throughout your time here on board, and lots of great entertainment. Now let's tour this beautiful space. Now keep in mind they do have a suite that's larger than this, so if you're looking for something with a little more space, we've got that on our channel. And then they also are going to have balcony staterooms as well. Now as soon as you walk in the door, you'll have your temperature controls to the side here, and I'm going to step into the bathroom. Now it's a really good size for a river cruise vessel. You've got plenty of vanity space for storage here, storage underneath. You're also going to find storage with the drawers there as well. Those highly upgraded bath amenities, in this case you've got those Beekman 1802 amenities that we really enjoy. The toilet's tucked just behind, and I wanted to step into the shower. Now I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I don't fit in every space on a ship. I fit just fine in here. That comfort really goes quite a bit when you have those extra tall ceilings. You're gonna find the adjustable shower wand, rainfall shower head up above, and then you'll also have more of those highly upgraded bath amenities. Now as we step into the room itself, you can see it's really quite spacious. You've got your vanity over to the side here. You'll find that you have a US plug and a USB charger there, a large backlit mirror to get ready, and then you also have a hairdryer. It's a Conair just underneath here that you can utilize on board. You've got your Keurig coffee machine that they'll replenish as you'd like throughout your stay. You can take that right out and head out to your private balcony. Now keep in mind, you're also just a few steps away from the lounge as well, where they have a more substantial coffee maker. It's also where you can get some great light bites like breakfast. Now on this side, you're gonna find your primary hanging storage. You've got storage all the way across here. You're gonna have your safe, perfect size for a small laptop, tablet, passport, wallet, things like that. You're also going to have an iron and an ironing board. Now you're gonna see that you're gonna have a full king size bed. So you've got extra comfy linens and bedding here. Of course, you can ask for more pillows if you'd like. All you have to do is communicate with your room steward. Now, something that's very different about this ship than most river cruise and ocean cruise vessels is, as I mentioned, it's 100% US crewed. I've really enjoyed my time here with the crew, getting to know them, getting to share this experience as we travel through the heart of America. Now you've got plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away. They can also separate the bed into two twins if that's your preference, maybe if you're traveling with friends. And then you'll have a nightstand on either side with drawers where you can tuck things away. You also have a lamp. One of the things that's great about that is you have a US plug and a USB charger built in. So if you need to utilize the plug for a CPAP or something like that, you have it there. And of course you can charge your devices overnight. Now at the foot of the bed, you're gonna find these two chairs. Now these can be moved around and arranged if you want them in a different spot for sitting and relaxing. Of course, you can also watch the large flat panel TV. You can see some of your favorite channels, of course, but my favorite channel is right through that extra large panoramic window outside. It's probably where I'll spend most of my time. Now you're gonna see that you have nice storage underneath here, plenty of drawers. Under here, you're also going to have a mini fridge. It'll come stocked upon your arrival. They'll be happy to replenish that throughout your stay. Juices, sodas, things like that. And they also have a bottle of red wine and white wine that they'll replenish as you'd like. Now I mentioned that private balcony. Let's head out and see what that's all about. So now we're out on your private balcony here. You've got quite a bit of space. You're gonna also find that you have a table and 2 chairs. It's that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, or that wonderful room service as you enjoy the incredible views. One thing that I love about river cruising that's so different than ocean cruising is that you become part of the destination. While you're sailing on the Mississippi, as we have been, you're gonna be able to look out, watch life go by. You can see small towns and villages. You're gonna see people walking their dogs, fishing, farming, all kinds of things. And to me, that really enhances the experience where you can get off the ship, go explore these beautiful towns and villages. Of course, on board, you're gonna get that enrichment style information where you can learn about the destinations. You're also gonna get some great entertainment brought on from these local ports. All of this comes together for a phenomenal experience. And of course, when you're ready to make that experience yours, book this particular suite or any room or suite with American Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.